Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of layouts on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of layouts on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. And first, you can search about the application of apps, and you can enter to here in this page. You can enter to PowerPoint. Then in this list, you can click on first stop, and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage, and here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about PowerPoint. If you will find update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.